Indie Devlog 2. Yep, we're back with an Indie Devlog 2. And if you guys saw my teaser, you might know some of what's about next. But I did do a bunch of other stuff as well, so we'll be covering that. And we'll, like the last Indie Devlog, we're going to be showing you gameplay. So, yep, just sit back, relax, and watch the gameplay. So, the first thing you can see is a completely new map. So right here, it's Wasn't Space to jump right here. I forgot to remove this testing gun. This is going to be removed in the actual game, so let's get over there. Lol. Next we have some parkour, just to test out your jumping skills. Oh, don't fall that. Yeah, don't fall off. And then a shooting tutorial and grabbing tutorial. There's a still enemy. This is one of the enemy types. And there we go. Hey, I said be dead. Be dead for me. Come on. Let me nudge you over. Come on. That'll do. So yeah, that's basically it for the actual map so far. I didn't do like all level design. There's gonna be a lot of levels, but this is so far the tutorial. Tutorial is mainly going to be some platforming, but yeah, that is basically the gameplay of this new update. Oh wait, I do have to show you those new enemy types. So those are going to be up next. 1, 2, 3. As you see, there's 2 new enemy types. There's this one that chases us around. Yeah, he's not going to go after us because it's not his A-star Pathfinder range, which I definitely will increase. But right now, we don't need to increase it. If I get in his range, though, he will chase us. Of course I died. You can kill them as well. Now for how I made it. Number 1 is the enemies. For the chase enemy, I just attached a little AI path, attached it to the player empty object, and looks like we still have work to do. Next up, yeah, I fixed a bunch of bugs and made it so you can kill the player. I hated it. Then I made a shooting enemy, and now it's pretty easy. Just attach some fixed joints, add a gun, and put a script that automatically shoots every 1 second. Those are the enemies summarized up, and for that still one, it's a ragdoll basically with no scripts that can stand. That's literally it. And well, now I just did some lazy level design, copy and pasted the ground a bunch of times, then just moved it a bit closer, and still enemy, then a gun. Yeah, that's actually it. Yeah, that's pretty much all I did. So the next thing I had to do was do some optimizations. Now, if you don't know, previously, the code can only be used for a single enemy, so I can only have like single enemies trigger that fade over screen, or I can only have 1 gun at a time. So I had to optimize it because that was the case. If I didn't optimize it, this game would be impossible. Yeah, optimizing was kind of easy besides the gun, but I managed to do it. Yeah, I optimized it. Hopefully that gets a bunch of programmers off my back. Nope, that's basically it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe. Peace out, and I will see you in my next video, live stream, or devlog.